Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, this file does not have an app associated with it for performing this action fix in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey classes root. \lnk file. If any string name is shortcut old or other name, simply delete it. Create new string value named as is shortcut. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.